Welcome to Ripcaster. My name's John Nelson and we are a hi-fi dealer based between Reading and Oxford in the UK. Today we're going to be taking a look at these new Raidho X1.6 speakers. These were launched at Munich earlier in the year. Raidho Room was one of the highlights of the show for me, and these speakers in particular really shone. Let's open them up and have a look. The Raidho X1.6s arrive, I don't know whether this is a standard packaging or whether it's just because they're one of the first produced, but they're in a wooden crate and there's obviously a box within it. And there is a box within a box. So here we have simple boxing, Raidho X1.6. Does it tell us a weight? Because they are heavy. So in the top we have got an instruction owner's manual, and the speakers are well packed in this with this foam. The speakers themselves are in bags. Easier said than done. Okay, so I've got one. Alright, so we've got both of them out of the box. Let's just see if we can take them out of the bags. Okay. There you have it. First little view. They're available in the piano black that we've got here, or in white. Rear port and speaker connections on the back. See, they are quite petite. They are, what are they? 20 centimetres by 30 centimetres by 37 centimetres. Very nicely finished. You can see I've just got the speaker beside me now. Piano black or piano white finish. It features a ceramic 6.5 inch driver here, and it's got a sealed ribbon tweeter at the top, and round the back we've got a vented port on the rear as well, with two binding posts at the rear. Very nice, beautifully finished, very high quality as you would expect from a Danish manufacturer. On the base we've got mount points for the stand, which we'll have a look at next. So we'll have a look at the stand now. They obviously can be used with or without the stand. So in the front of the box we've got some assembly instructions, so there is a little bit of self-assembly required. So you can see that we've put the speaker on the stand now. Very sturdy mount. Looks very impressive, very sleek design. Give it a quick 360 on it. You can see it's got a slightly upward angle, but looks very impressive. So what we've done now is connect the speakers up to a Moon system. At the Munich show, they were demonstrating Raidho with Moon. The sound they got was very impressive. So there we have it, the Raidho X1.6, beautiful Danish build, fantastic sound. If you're looking for a big sound from a compact speaker, this should definitely be on your list. I welcome you to come to Ripcaster and have a listen for yourself. Thanks for watching.